So Dublin hit 60 today.
That's amazing.
So, right?
Yeah.
So, I mean, it was fantastic. It was spring-like outside. It was awesome. No matter what kind of dance you were doing, it was perfect for it today. We do have a big game coming on Saturday. May not be quite as warm, but if you're headed to some outdoor hockey at the Shoe on Saturday, temperatures at 6 o'clock in the evening at puck drop are going to be right around 39 degrees and looking more and more like we may be able to avoid the showers. It should stay up near Cleveland. So we will see some mostly cloudy skies here and they'll get some rain up near the lake, but looking much better for Saturday. Right now, we are seeing some clearing happening from west to east. The rain moved out earlier today. The clouds have been coming and going a little bit, but right now, radar is nice and quiet across central Ohio. At John Glenn Columbus International Airport right now, it is 56 degrees. Wind out of the west, 13 miles per hour. Dew points are relatively low at 43 degrees. And it's mild across most of the region. Your D.R. Horton America's Builder current conditions generally between about 56 and 58 degrees, but a couple places up into the 60s right now. So Lancaster's at 60, Waverly's at 63. We've been in the mid to upper 60s in Portsmouth for the afternoon. So looking pretty good out there. We'll see more of those clouds eroding over the next few hours, and with some clear sky, cool temperatures, and a little bit of moisture out there, patchy fog becomes a possibility for us, so that may affect your morning commute. It'll be overnight before it starts to form. During the evening, still pretty nice, with temperatures in the 40s, but then that fog gets going closer to sunrise. So 32 degrees, a little patchy fog. We're still going to call this mild, because that's a good 5-6 degrees above average for this time of the year. The clouds will start thickening up first thing in the morning, and during the afternoon on Wednesday is when some of this rain will move in. It starts mainly north of Columbus, but as that front starts to get in here, it covers a little more of the state, so you'll get some of that dropping down into the middle of the state along the I-70 corridor. An occasional downpour is possible with this as well, but then it all begins to taper off, and Thursday starts with a little bit of patchy fog, but otherwise relatively quiet to begin the day. However, another round of rain, see this next cold front right there? You can see how it comes through the little wind patterns here. So there's your cold front. That's going to get here Thursday afternoon and evening before it tapers off. You might even get a few snowflakes out of that. So for Wednesday and Thursday together, we can get a good quarter-inch out of that. A few places upwards of 1/4 to 3/4 of an inch, and maybe even a snowflake on the end of it. But not going to be a lot of rain. Tomorrow, starting in morning commute, 33 degrees. In the afternoon, getting to around 56. So well above average for this time of year. Normal is 44. By the time we get to Friday, now we're looking at a little bit of sunshine. 48 degrees there. Saturday, a high of 40.